How to recover deleted WhatsApp chats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to recover your deleted chats in WhatsApp. Let's begin. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up WhatsApp and make sure you've turned on your backup. Tap on the three dots at the top right, then go to settings, go to chats, and tap on chat backup. From here, make sure you've connected a Google account and then tap on backup. Once you back up your chat, even if you delete your chat for certain days, you should be able to back it up from your Google Drive. For that, you can uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it back again. And when you try to log in, it's going to ask you whether you want to recover all of your backed up chats or not. Then you just go ahead and tap on backup. That is one of the ways to do it. The other thing that you can do is basically go ahead and tap on your file manager. So on your file manager, what you want to do is go to Android, then go to Media. Then from there, you want to go to com.whatsapp and WhatsApp. Make sure that you have your databases folder. Then copy all of these. Tap on copy. Then you want to move it to WhatsApp. Then go to backups and paste all of these right here. Tap and copy here. And once you have done that, you should be good to go. Then try to open WhatsApp and your deleted chats should be there. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.